IFM News.
Ano, John, go.
Facts.
Kinomendara na ti Sangguniang Panlunsod iti Siyudad ti Lawag ti Asosasyon dagiti Nurses malipod pa iti Balasyo Taaw anang isayang pati libre a medical mission. Nagyaman ti si Bobokela Consejo iti panagkomit ti asosasyon at tumulong kena ti panakapilida iti siyudad at nakaisayang katan ti nasao nga aktibidad. Dinto ang maragsakan met dagiti nurses sa baligi dayto nga aktibidad ken aduda dagiti nanggundaway. Insagot dayto iti His Footsteps Foundation kadwa iti Philippine Nurses Association iti Tampa Bay, Florida, USA. Kanitatangal daw Bernard kat agturong damit iti siyudad ti Batak sumarono intono February 27 sa Demet Ili ti Paway.
Doctor and Doctora, thank you for choosing Lawag City and for all the things that you've done here on behalf of the city government of Lawag. We thank you and I hope and pray that God will bless you even more. Do you want to have a response po? RJ, mabalik mo masin na. Ilocano ba yan?
Ilocano. Parents ko from Pangasinan, sa Ilocano. Pero I was born in Mindanao. So, tatay kami Texas, USA. So, we're very thankful that we were able to serve the world city and the community. And that is our passion to basically serve and regard all the community that we could try to make a difference in the life of others. And we are very grateful that we were able to serve our city.
Honorable leaders of Lawag, yes, glad to be here with you. We just came from Davao, Bacolod, a lot of places, but this time we are privileged to be helping your community here. We are bringing 39 people or health practitioners from the United States of America, and most of our medical staff are the experts here in the Philippines. And we are happy that we are with you, and tomorrow we'll be in the other area, Lapa, and then to the other area. But thank you very much. We enjoyed your fellowship. We enjoyed our patients. They are very good, and thank you very much. If there is...
Ti paset ti panakakomendar kende ti panagyaman met ti nurses ti medical mission.
Okay. So they're from Texas, Idol Joanne.
Wende ti may side over.
Ay, tayo may isa. Ngayon, di kita mga nurses nga kadwan, ha?
Sa balimet nga state kayan Idol Bernard ngem ti asosasyon daket naka-destino iti Florida, USA, Idol Bernard.
Wow. Ngayon, apay, saan da mga Tagalawag? Right?
When Idol Bernard ngem passion da ngamin deti
tumulong.
Bernard.
Kasi diti awan boundaries na ni Idol Joanne nagmayat nga dinggen awan ti nagapuakti ko sa o taga-tuy kami or sa di naman awan pilpilyen awan ti leader kadakwa basta ba tumulong da kadlatan nang role pagsayatan ti Siyudad ti Lawag makita da ti potential nga na masapol ti adu nga tulong ti Lawag City ket dakkel mo nga challenge si Jai for Lawag City government di ngamen makaited ti libre giti sa baling organisasyon dito yung nga tangarod Lawag City nga mismo na Idol Joanne.
Iso nga rod Idol Bernard.
Okay, at katagyaman kami digiti tulong yo digiti Philippine Nurses Association iti abroad like for example in America. Thank you so much for rendering your services, free services here in Lawag City. Go ahead, Idol Joanne.
Damag iti Siyudad ti Lawag at YT 99.5 FM Lawag, Idol Joanne 15 step up or